Do you want to speak English fluently and confidently? Today, I'll share the top tips to help beginners learn English fast. Let's get started. Tip 1. Practice daily. Practice is the key to learning any language. Spend at least 15 to 30 minutes every day practicing English. You can read a book, watch English videos, or talk to a friend. Consistency will make you improve faster. Tip 2. Start with simple sentences. Don't try to learn complicated words or phrases right away. Start with simple sentences like, "How are you?" or "What's your name?" Once you're comfortable, you can move to more advanced conversations. Tip 3. Watch English content. Watch English movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos with subtitles. This helps you understand pronunciation, tone, and sentence structure. Try to repeat what you hear to improve your speaking skills. Tip 4. Learn key vocabulary. Focus on learning the most common words and phrases first. For example, learn words for everyday activities like eating, shopping, and traveling. This will make it easier to communicate in daily life. Tip 5. Speak without fear. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Speak English whenever you get the chance, even if you're not perfect. Confidence is more important than perfection. Tip 6. Find a speaking partner. Practice speaking English with a friend, tutor, or online partner. Having real conversations is the best way to become fluent. Tip 7. Listen to English every day. Listen to English songs, podcasts, or audiobooks. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain will start recognizing words and sounds over time. Tip 8. Keep a journal. Write a few sentences in English every day. You can write about your day, your plans, or your feelings. This will help improve your writing and vocabulary. Tip 9. Be patient and persistent. Learning a language takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and stay persistent. Celebrate small improvements, and don't give up. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Follow these tips, and you'll see progress in no time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. See you next time.